Good morning, friends. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, April 17th. We made it to the end of another week. Yay. So here's our learning board for today and the activities we're working on. We're going to go and click on April 17th. It's going to take us down to Friday. Yesterday, you guys practiced skip counting by twos. Today, we're going to skip count by fives. I must compliment all my friends on the math activities yesterday. Awesome job. That is not easy to count by twos. I think today will be a little easier for a Friday. So you're going to do your math warm up, count by fives. Your choice. You can choose to do the books or the pages in your math and focus book. Or you can go down to the seesaw activity, just like yesterday. There's two of them. You can do the easy one, the challenge one, or both of them, your choice. For reading, you're going to do day 4 of reading workshop, and then 4 and 5 for phonics. It's just a review. And then most importantly, moms and dads, make sure you're listening to this. This seesaw activity is a must do, okay? So it's a fluency checklist. The directions are all there. You can listen. Let your child do it on their own. If they struggle, that's okay. Just tell them to do the best they can and finish the activity and then submit it. And then don't forget there's reading fluency, your choice, ball words, and our magic treehouse read aloud for today, chapter 2. It's a good one. Writing, you have easy write practice, and you're going to journal about anything you want today. It's Fun Friday. Journal about anything. What are you doing this weekend? What did you do last weekend? What did the Easter Bunny bring you? Anything you want, and then you can share on Seesaw. And then finally, for science, if you're up for it, go check out Brain Pop Junior, Extinct and Endangered Species. I know that was a vocabulary word that we learned about as we learned about dinosaurs. You can check that out, and there's an optional craft if you'd like to do it. I loved all the dinosaurs and cities that I saw drawn up today, or yesterday, I should say. When you're finished, hey, nice work. Submit your stuff to Seesaw and then relax and have a great weekend. I'll be sending out a new learning board next Monday morning. We have direction to wait until 9 to send them out. So I will send out the new learning board. Look for that on Monday morning. Also, friendly reminder, when you are working on your learning board, don't forget that up here we have our specialist links for gym, art, music, and library. I'm going to add those in a little bit differently next week, so I'll actually have them one specified for each day so you don't have to worry about forgetting to do one, because I'm a mom with 3 kids at home, and I am guilty of forgetting to do the specialist classes. So in the hopes of helping you out and myself, I will add those daily on the links, or the daily links next week. So, but yeah, if you haven't done some of those, check in. And then just make sure when you're doing like your art that you're submitting to your art Seesaw. And same with media and tech, make sure you're submitting to the right place or whatever the directions that the teachers have on there. All right? Okay, as always, I'm here for you. And if you need me, email me. Fingers crossed. Hopefully all the links work today. That was kind of goofy yesterday, so thanks for hanging in there with me and being patient. Looks like most everybody did okay. So have a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.